We get a bird call as written down, the description. I fire it the direction of Katie Wright Dynamite.
Woo!
She fires it back as a bird. Bird number 1, cattle egret. They have a raspy, repeated rick-rack. Here's how the cattle egret sounds. Bird number 2 is Setti's warbler. They have a sharp pick, a lower chup, and a dry rattle comparable to that of a sparrow. Let's have a listen.
Oh.
And bird number 3 is the chaffinch, a short, sharp pink or chink, uttered singly, as a double note, or even as extended in a series
I've
of
never
short
heard
notes.
notes being described in colour.
How does the chaffinch do it? Pretty close.
I am the finch.